Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding NIMHANS Bangalore, which is India's premier institute for mental health and neurosciences. So in this video, information regarding National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, NIMHANS Bangalore. Information about Master of Public Health MPH Entrance Exam 2026 eligibility criteria will be discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, and other courses entrance exams like various university and institutes like Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI MEA Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Puducherry, NIMHANS Bangalore, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences Jaipur, Lucknow University, Punjab University, and all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration, and other competitive exams. And students who want to join online coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the prospectus for National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, NIMHANS, which is an institute of national importance, Bangalore, India. National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, and this is the prospectus for 2026-27 postgraduate course admission July 2026 session. NIMHANS Hospital is NABH accredited. The first important dates for 2026 admissions will be discussed. So these are the important schedule and dates. So registration start on date of advertisement of admission notification. Notification came on 2nd March 2026, and start date and end date for submission of online application form. Start date was 2nd of March 2026 and end date, that is last date, is 31st of March 2026. Date of conduct of entrance test at Bangalore for all courses. Entrance exam will be on 29 to 31st May 2026. So these are the important dates. Now information regarding NIMHANS Bangalore. Master of Public Health MPH course eligibility criteria will be discussed for entrance exam. So these are the eligibility criteria. Minimum requirement for admission, Bachelor of MBBS. These are the educational qualification required. MBBS or Bachelor of Dental Sciences or postgraduate degree in Sociology, Statistics, Environmental Sciences, Physiotherapy, Occupational Therapy, Health Management, Social Work, Economics, Speech Pathology and Audiology, Speech Pathology, Audiology, Nursing, Bachelor degree in Ayush, MAMS, BNYS, BUMS, BHMS, BSMS. So these are the wide range of qualification that are accepted for NIMHANS Bangalore Master of Public Health MPH entrance exam. I am repeating these again. The minimum requirement for admission, that is eligibility criteria for NIMHANS Bangalore Master of Public Health MPH entrance exam, are MBBS or Bachelor of Dental Sciences BDS or postgraduate degree in Sociology, Statistics, Environmental Sciences, Physiotherapy, Occupational Therapy, Health Management, Social Work, Economics, Speech Pathology and Audiology, Speech Pathology, Audiology, Nursing, Bachelor degree in Ayush, MAMS, BNYS, BUMS, BHMS and BSMS. So these are the eligibility criteria. And NIMHANS Bangalore seats offered: 5 seats under institute support and 5 seats under sponsored category, and it also provides stipend for Master of Public Health students. So these are the information for stipend, institute support, Applicant selected under institute support rupees 25 per month. So 25,000 per month is Stipend will be provided for the students who will get selected by institute support, and no emolument for candidates selected for seats again vacant seats of sponsored category, and duration for this course is 2 years. Qualifying marks percentage in entrance test: unreserved OBC EWS 50%, SC ST PWBD 45%, and mode of selection here is seats under institute support and seats under sponsored category. So both seats under institute support and seats under sponsored category, mode of selection is entrance test and verification of original certificate on the day of admission. So admission will be on the basis of entrance test and verification of original certificates on the day of admission. So these are the mode of selection, and these are general guidelines for admission to Master of Public Health course. Department in which master course is offered. So name of the department is Department of Epidemiology. Department of Epidemiology is the department in which Master of Public Health MPH course is offered in Nimhans, Bangalore. And here general eligibility qualification as specified for the course concerned. For applicant applying under sponsored category, so 5 seats are available for sponsored category. Indian national applicants who are permanent employees, sponsored, deputed by the state, central government or public sector undertakings of state, central government or institutions, universities can apply through sponsored deputation category. Other requirement: applicants should have pursued and awarded qualification from an institution, university recognized by Medical Council of India, Rehabilitation Council of India, Indian Nursing Council or other statutory bodies as relevant. And course fees is rupees 96,500 excluding hostel charges as applicable. For details refer to fees section of the prospectus. And information regarding leave: under institute support 30 days of annual leave. Any other form of leave availed shall be without emoluments, and all leaves for candidates selected under external fellowship sponsored category shall be governed by leave rules of the external fellowship agency concerned. So here seats offered are 5 seats under institute support and 5 seats under sponsored category. Program of study. So this is the information about program of study for Master of Public Health. The Master of Public Health MPH course was started from the academic year 2013-14. So this course got started from the academic year 2013-14. The goal was to bridge the gap in human resources and to strengthen public health capability of health and health related sectors. The MPH course aims to develop quality public health specialists who will be able to efficiently and effectively manage the constantly evolving health situations and system of the country. The course based on adult learning principles would be skill based and adopt a modular learn centered methodology. The course will have mental health and neurosciences as the thrust areas and will also focus on practice of public health principles and tools. Awards: the best outgoing student for scoring highest marks in Master of Public Health. For more details, please refer department information on Nimhans website or contact 08026995244. So in this video, information regarding Nimhans Bangalore, eligibility criteria and other important information has been discussed, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams for various university and institutes like Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, JIPMER, Puducherry, Nimhans Bangalore, IIPS, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Christian Medical College Vellore, Punjab University, Lucknow University, KGMU, SGPGI, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other courses entrance exams. And for this, if a student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.